Is the crypto winter over? Bitcoin is up over 150% this year to date and reached above 42K today, marking its second best annual performance over the last 6 years. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, also surged over 80% this year to date. There are multiple reasons for this, the main ones being that people are betting on interest rates decreasing moving forward, the FTX drama is mostly over, and people are betting on the success of a Bitcoin ETF application with the SEC. Historically, Bitcoin actually outperforms the S&P 500 during bull markets and acts like a very volatile tech stock. The crypto rally has also driven some massive gains in crypto stocks like Coinbase that's up almost 320% this year to date, as well as Riot up 345%. That being said, both of those companies are operating at a loss in their recent quarters. Although crypto is not backed by earnings and revenue in the same way that a company is, there's definitely an interest in this technology that offers some clear benefits like speed of payments, decentralization, and security. Do you think that crypto will continue to rally?